Hey everyone! Is your transmission acting up, gears slipping, rough shifting, or maybe your car is stuck in limp mode? If you've scanned your car and found trouble code P0868, transmission fluid pressure too low, then you're in the right place. Ignoring this issue can lead to severe transmission damage, but don't worry. In this video I'll explain what P0868 means, its symptoms, causes and, most importantly, the exact sensor locations to help you fix it fast. Let's get started. The P0868 trouble code means that the transmission control module, TCM, has detected abnormally low transmission fluid pressure. Automatic transmissions rely on hydraulic pressure to shift gears properly, and if the pressure is too low, you'll experience slipping, hard shifts, or even total transmission failure. Common symptoms of P0868: harsh, delayed, or slipping gear shifts. Transmission stuck in one gear, check engine light or transmission. Warning light. Whining or grinding noises from the transmission. Burning smell from overheated transmission fluid. Now let's get to the most important part, sensor locations. To properly diagnose P0868, check these critical components. Transmission fluid pressure sensor. Location. Usually mounted on or near the transmission valve body, inside or outside the transmission case. Function. Monitors fluid pressure and sends signals to the TCM, transmission control module. Location. Typically mounted near the transmission housing or in the engine bay, close to the firewall. Function. Controls transmission shifting based on fluid pressure readings. Transmission pump and valve body location. Inside the transmission case, accessible by removing the transmission pan. Function. Regulates hydraulic pressure for proper gear engagement. Transmission fluid filter and cooler lines. The filter is inside the transmission pan, while cooler lines run between the transmission and radiator. Function. Ensures clean and properly pressurized fluid circulates in the system. Common causes of P0868: low or dirty transmission fluid. If the fluid is too low or contaminated, the system can't build enough pressure. Faulty transmission fluid pressure sensor. A bad sensor can send incorrect readings, causing pressure regulation issues. Clogged or leaking transmission lines. Blocked or damaged lines prevent proper fluid circulation. Failing transmission pump or valve body. If the pump can't generate enough pressure, shifting problems occur. Wiring or electrical issues. Damaged wiring or corroded connectors can interfere with sensor signals. How to fix P0868. Step 1. Check the transmission fluid level and condition. If it's low, top it up with the correct fluid. Step 2. Inspect the transmission fluid pressure sensor. Use a multimeter to check its voltage, replace if faulty. Step 3. Examine the transmission lines and filter. Look for leaks or blockages that may be restricting fluid flow. Step 4. Check the transmission pump and valve body. If they're malfunctioning, they may need replacement. Step 5. Scan for additional transmission codes. Other codes might indicate related issues. Step 6. Inspect the wiring and TCM connections. Clean or replace any damaged wiring or loose connectors. The P0868 trouble code means your transmission isn't getting enough hydraulic pressure, which can lead to major shifting problems or even complete failure. By checking fluid levels, pressure sensors, and transmission components, you can diagnose and fix the issue before it gets worse. Watch these related videos next. P0602. Control module programming error. P0603. Internal control module. Keep alive memory error. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.